Hello, my name is Linda and I'm with Tech Exchange. Today I will be teaching you how to create a free Gmail account. Let's get started. You want to start by opening up your web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Then you will go to gmail.com. On the top right, click Create Account. Then choose For My Personal Use. This option is for your own email, like sending messages, signing into apps, and everyday use. Enter your first and last name, then click Next. Once you click Next, you will enter your birthday and gender. Then click Next one more time. Now you will choose your Gmail address. If you want an easy option, you can pick one of the suggested emails at the top. If you prefer to create your own, select the option below and type the email address that you want. If your choice isn't available, try adding numbers or a different version. Next, you will create a strong password using at least 8 characters, with a mix of letters and numbers, then type it again to confirm. Now you will be asked to verify your phone number using a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code on the screen, then tap the link that appears on your phone. Now you will be asked to verify your phone number using a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code on the screen, then tap the link that appears on your phone. This will take you to a page where you will enter your phone number and tap Send SMS. Google will ask you to send a message. Go ahead and open your Messages app and send it. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Once Google verifies your number, it will move you to the next step. Now you can add a recovery email address. If you have another email, you can enter it and click Next. If not, you can skip this step. Review your information, then click Next. Scroll through Google's privacy and terms and click I agree. That's it. Your Gmail account is ready and you'll be taken to your inbox. Now you know how to create a Gmail account. If you want to learn more digital skills, join our free digital literacy classes at Tech Exchange.